guys, Miss Main here with today's story, Awesome Amphibians. This is a 2.6 reading level. The AR quiz number is 149094. Again, it's a 2.6, and this is a nonfiction book, which means it's full of true fun facts. Has a few little chapters. Chapter 1, Meet the Amphibians. Chapter 2, Amphibian Skills. They've got skills. And Chapter 3, Amazing Amphibians. Chapter 1, Meet the Amphibians. This is an alpine salamander. Check out this cool creature. It may look like a lizard, but it is not one. It is a salamander. Over here we have frogs and we have toads. Frogs have smooth, slippery skin. Toads have dry, watery skin. That might be a question on the quiz. What is the difference between a toad and a frog? Fast fact. I do not know how to say this word. Campkillians are amphibians too. They spend most of their time underground. That is a new word for Mrs. Main. Salamanders belong to a group of animals called amphibians. Frogs and toads are also amphibians. Frog life cycle. So in one day, a female frog lays thousands of eggs in the water. In 2 weeks, tadpoles hatch. They live in water and breathe through gills. 3 months, froglets have legs. They develop lungs to breathe air. What do the lungs help you do? Lungs help you breathe air. And at 4 months, just 1 month later, grown-up frogs lose their tails. They spend a lot of time on land. All amphibians hatch from underwater eggs. At first, they need to stay in the water to survive. As amphibians grow, they change. After a while, they are able to breathe air and go on land. Chapter 2, Amphibian Skills. What kind of skills do they have? This is a toad. Amphibians are skillful hunters. Toads use their long, sticky tongues to snatch bugs for lunch. Gotcha! They can swim. They can leap, they can hop, they can crawl, and they can wiggle. Amphibians are great at getting around. Frogs and toads swim and hop. Salamanders crawl and scurry. Caecilians wiggle and dig. I don't know if I'm saying that word right. A Pacific salamander hides in the woods. A fast fact, birds, snakes, and raccoons all eat salamanders. So that might be a question on the quiz. What eats a salamander? Some amphibians are great at blending in. This is called camouflage. Camouflage helps them hide from creatures that want to gobble them up. Over here we have a yellow poison dart frog. We have a blue poison dart frog, a red-eyed tree frog, a green poisonous dart frog, Panamanian golden frog, and a tomato frog. I did not know there were so many different types of frogs. Some amphibians are great at standing out. Their bright colors warn predators. Don't eat us. We taste bad and we can make you sick. Make you sick because we are poisonous. Chapter 3, Amazing Amphibians. Japanese giant salamander. Some amphibians are very large. This type of salamander can weigh more than 50 pounds. Wow, that is huge. Another fast fact, people used to think that touching frogs and toads would give them warts, but that was only a myth. It means it's not a true fact. This is a Brazilian frog. That doesn't look very big, does it? It's right on the tip of his nose. Some amphibians are tiny. This type of frog is as small as an insect. Cute little guy. European tree frog. Fast fact, the world record frog long jump is 33 feet. That is longer than a bus. Some amphibians are exceptional jumpers. Certain frogs can leap 20 times their body length. This is an ornate horned toad. Fast fact, there are more than 5,000 different kinds of amphibians in the world. Some amphibians are just plain funny looking, but all of them are awesome. Don't you agree? I don't know if I think all of them are awesome. And then we have the glossary of the words that we learned. Camouflage, exceptional, lungs, myth, predator. So listen to it 2 or 3 times. Do great on the quiz, and I'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's story. Bye, guys.